Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope you are fine. Now we are going to discuss types of computers. Computers come in various types and these may be classified in various ways. Generally, computers are classified according to by purpose, by data handled, by capacity. Now we are going to discuss classification of computer according to purpose. There are two types of computers. Number one, general purpose computer. Number two, special purpose of computer. General purpose computer designed to solve various problems, business or commercial, are termed as general purpose computers. Most digital computers are general purpose computers like PC or microcomputers. Special purpose computers designed to solve specific problems are termed as special purpose computers. Analog computers are classified as special purpose computer. Now we are going to discuss classification of computer according to data handled. Number one is analog computer. Analog computers are measuring device. They are used to measure only continuously varying quantities such as temperature, pressure, distance, velocity, etc. Digital computers are those which are used to measure physical quantities with the help of digits or numbers. Digital computers can convert the data like numbers, letters, or other symbols into digits. In digital computers, all the operations are done at extremely fast rate. Digital computers have a memory and can solve the problems by counting. Hybrid computer. Hybrid computer is the combination of analog and digital computer systems. These are the machines that incorporate in single computer both analog and digital features. A hybrid computer uses analog to digital conversion and digital to analog conversion and may input or output either analog or digital data. Now, classification according to capacity. Number one is supercomputer. These are the largest and fastest machines today where numerical computations are carried out at speeds of up to 50 million operations per second. Supercomputers are very sophisticated machines designed to perform complex calculations at fastest speed. Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers or microcomputer. The most expensive, largest and fastest computer are termed as macrocomputers or mainframe computer. It may have more than one CPU. System software allows them to be tied together. It may be used by thousands of users at the same time, and a number of programs may be run on it at the same time. It is used by large size organizations, large manufacturing companies, stock markets, bank, airline, hotels, and large hospital and federal agencies. Mini computer. According to size, speed, and capabilities, it lies between micro and macro computers. It is very popular in time sharing requirement and may be used by 20 to 30 person at the same time. The capacity of its main memory is 10 to 30 MB. Now microcomputer. Microcomputers for personal use, small size computers are designed which are termed as microcomputer. They are cheaper in cost but includes large memory and uses for multitasking ability. It uses keyboard as input device and monitor as output device. It is used in small business application, home and schools applications, database management, word processing, and accounting purpose. These are also called PC, desktop, and personal computers.